What's up, everyone? Tonight we're gonna switch it up a little bit. I have this little KTM 50X SX Pro Junior LC. So, 2002. There's actually a guy that lives, let's see, like 2 houses over, and there's a teed off street there, and then you go up 2 houses. So I can pretty much see his back porch out of my garage here. And he's been driving by, riding by, seeing that I have bikes coming in and out of here. And he was just finally stopped by, knocked on my door, and asked me if I worked on bikes on the side. So I was like, yeah, what do you have? He's like, oh, I just bought this little bike for my kid, and I just need someone to go look it over, make sure it's safe to ride, just kind of give it a once over. So I've had it here for about a week and a half. Couple nights here and there, I'd come out, poke my head around, look at it, and figured that it needed front and rear wheel bearings, the swing arm bearings, let's see, a couple nuts and bolts like weep hole bolt, and I'm going to change the oil in it. I'm going to service the air filter, just do like a basic service on the whole thing. Maybe do the shock or the fork fluid. And I got to put a tube on it. Just small little things. I think it was $100, $95 for everything that it needed from Rocky Mountain. So not a big deal. I just spent a couple hours on it here tonight, tinkering around with it, fixing things, rerouting cables. Oh, I got to put a throttle cable on it too. And just get it safe for the kid to ride, to learn how to ride on. He had like a little Razor electric motorcycle. I think I know what he's talking about. It's kind of like a stability cycle, but cheaper because it's made by Razor. So this is a cool thing for him. I'm gonna go ahead and just do this stuff and maybe chime in here and there. Alright, I got this thing all tuned up for Connor. Hopefully he's going to like it. It's nice and safe for him. He's got a good foundation. New wheel bearings, swing arm bearings. We just got to set the rider sag for him for the forks and the rear shock. Make sure he's got that. Do a little couple ergo changes for him. So he should be ready to rip on this thing. Start to learn how to ride dirt bikes. It's going to be awesome. Be sweet for him. If you like what you saw today, sorry I didn't talk too much. I just kind of wanted to burn through this. It took me about 3.5 hours to do what I did today. I'm probably just gonna charge the guy for beer. I really don't care at this point. But I just want to get this kid out there ripping. If you like what you saw, like it, subscribe. Got more. I got the build on the CM 450A. That's kind of going on now. Trying to get that thing inspected and on the road so then I can spend a little bit more money on it and some time with it. Winter's coming up, so hopefully I can do like a frame up resto on that. I'm not quite sure, just want to get that in and out of the way, or inspected and out of the way. I'm thinking about racing Woods Ripper next weekend, so or actually when you see this, it'll be this weekend. So that's probably have a little bit of an episode of that coming up. I got to prep that for the race. I don't know if I'm going to go up 2 teeth in the rear or not, but once again, if you like this, like, subscribe, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next one.